Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will go to this page of Hacoo app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone.